If you're stepping up from basic practice keyboards and want a genuine weighted feel without spending full piano money, the Recital Pro is the obvious next move. It features 88 hammer action keys with adjustable touch sensitivity, 12 premium voices, 20W built-in speakers, layer split lesson modes, and up to 128-note polyphony. Retail listings for the Recital Pro often sit around the high $300s to $399 depending on bundle and dealer. How I'd talk about it live: the hammer action finally gives you that physical resistance and dynamic control most beginners crave. The difference in expression is noticeable and makes practicing more satisfying. Sound engine and polyphony are more performance-ready than entry models, and the connectivity, USB MIDI line outputs, is friendly for recording or hooking into a small rig. Customer reviews show lots of people praising value. Feels like a real piano for the price. Downsides: it won't match premium stage pianos for sampling depth, and some users report the bench or stand bundles can feel cheap if included. Pros: true hammer action feel, solid feature set for the price, lesson and split modes. Cons: onboard speaker power is limited for large rooms. Voices are good but not flagship level. Customer ratings skew positive. Good pick for the serious beginner or intermediate player. Buy links in the description box.